What's good, math family? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly take a binomial to the second and third power and the common mistakes to avoid when doing so. Starting this video off, everyone, we have to understand how to expand a binomial. And when we expand a binomial, we're not just taking what's inside and taking it to the second power. No, we want to write this binomial out and then actually FOIL to solve, right? So when we look at this problem here, if I use the box method, right, I have two terms on the top, two on the side. And before we even get here, guys, I want you to understand when you multiply a binomial or take a binomial to the second power, we're always going to have three terms, a trinomial. So A or B are gone. The only way that we can get to A is if we're multiplying the same binomial with different signs. So if we had m plus 3 times m minus 3, right? This is what would give us the answer choice of B, right? Because those middle terms would cancel out. But in this problem, that is not the case. So when we go through now, we'll have m squared minus 3m minus 3m plus 9. And if you didn't already know, guys, think about it. When we take negative 3 and we square it, we should know that it's going to give us a positive. The only way for 9 to be negative is one factor is positive and one is negative. Now that we understand that, and we took this binomial to the second power, how would we take it to the third power? Right? So this is to the second power. How we take it to the third? And and it's a simple process, right? So what we're gonna do is redo our box method. And once we redo our box method, we're now gonna expand it so we could factor in this trinomial, right? So instead of two boxes on the top, we're gonna have three. So now I have m squared negative 6m, and I have positive 9, and I'm going to multiply that by m and negative 3. So I go through now, m to the third, negative 6m squared, 9m. Do the same thing with the bottom row. Negative 3m squared, negative 18, positive 18m, and then negative 27. So as we look at this, guys, just remember that our constant and our lead coefficient is not going to have like terms. Like terms are going to run diagonal. So once we write this in standard form, this is what we should have taken the binomial to the third power. So m minus 3 to the third power is equal to m to the third minus 9m squared plus, let's see, that was 18 and 9 plus 27m minus 27. So when we're talking about binomial expansion, guys, understand the difference between taking it to the second power and understanding how a trinomial comes from a binomial, and the difference between taking to the third power and how to actually do that without making any mistakes. Please use the box method. But really hope this video was helpful for you guys on expanding binomials to the second and third power. Thank you so much for joining us today on Algebra with Mr. Peters. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave comments on future videos you guys would like to see on our channel, or if you guys had a question on today's video, thank you for joining.